Everything's going to be backwards. You know why? Because it's not going to line up this way, I bet. Yeah, looks like it did line up.
Try this one. That almost looks like it's bent. It's straight.
It ain't even straight. You don't like going here at all.
Well, that's the one that we didn't get oil in too. So.
Well, we have now. Square in there. Okay, okay. You don't have to put 15 damn yards of that shit in there. One's up now. Next one. These screws are not happy. Would have taken half hour to do a 5-minute job. Okay, you got a 3/8 Allen or 5/16? These bottom two aren't really going to do anything. You know that, don't you?
What's that?
These bottom two really aren't going to do anything. All the load's going to be on these two screws.
Yeah.
It'd be nice and plate is halfway square. Started. This plate does not fit this trap door because there's no holes up there.
Yeah.
Okay, here's your wrench. Got one? So, put this in gear. Preferably not with your fingers in there. So you gotta be careful with your fingers. Except these are my fingers I'm using right now. So now we're engaged. Okay. One turn. One turn. Do you hear that popping noise? I didn't like that popping noise.
That doesn't sound good, does it?
It does not sound exactly like I'm want here. This side's coming off, the other side is being not quite as friendly. But it's coming.
Yep.
Now this is saving us from having to do a pressing job.
But I do want to point out,
Mm-hmm.
if we had to press something out, we do now have the capabilities.
Mm-hmm. So this tool actually works pretty good for disassembling the shafts. That one's out. That one's out.
Beautiful.
Let me get the socket out. It actually worked pretty good.
Yeah, agreed.
I'm happy with that tool. So I'm surprised it worked, but it actually worked pretty good. Not much effort. No real damage. And we didn't have to take that collar out over there to get this part off, to change the bearings.
Right.
But we still had to get it off to get all this other crap out because we got to pull the whole thing out to get the other one out.
Right.
Okay, lay that down on the table. Hold on to that, sir. Now these threads here probably wouldn't hurt to have a tap run through them because I imagine they're not the best of condition. Going by all the corrosion and other issues that we had when I took it apart. But these are working a lot better than they did before because I think I got them broken in now. So they're probably okay now, but they were definitely not happy campers initially. So they're coming out pretty nice now. Now which one had all the squeaky noise? This one. It was this one. It's not squeaking anymore. Good. We're getting The threads are getting all burnished in.
You're right, it was this one.
They're getting all burnished in now. They're starting to work with each other. They're becoming more
Everybody's
friendly.
playing well.
They're becoming more friendly with each other. Probably skip the tapping job, because we don't need those now.
Okay.
That needs to be cleaned, because someone got it filthy as hell, so it goes over the dirty box. Now we can take this and feel the bearings and see what you think. Oh my God, they're smooth. Not too bad. They're a little slightly rough, but they're not super bad. Hear it?
Mm-hmm.
And that's with oil on it. So when you clean these up, they'll probably make a little noise, but not too bad. But they are a little rough. You can feel it. You can hear it. You can hear a little bit even on the camera a little bit. But they're not too bad, but they are, you know, they're not new. We got new ones. We'll put new ones in it.
Yeah.
They got another probably 15, 20,000 miles on those, but, you know, we're in here. Yeah, we're in here already. Okay, so that in the dirty pile. We'll clean it all up before we strip it apart. Okay, now we got to pull those two shafts out of there. Just throw it in the dirty pile. We'll worry about it later. So you just go grab it and go like that.
Really?
Yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I'll lay them over here when you're done. Look at that, they come almost like they're supposed to come out. Leave high gear in there, we're not pulling high gear. High gear is pressed into the case, pull them out evenly. There you go. Lay them on the table, same spot they came out. If you don't mix up none of the gears or let them fall off, they go back the same way. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
And
Okay.
now what's in there right now that needs to come out next?
High gear.
No, the shift shaft.
Oh, yeah.
The bad part. See how much work it took to get to the bad part? Is that not coming out?
Hold some in here.
Still won't come out.
Oh, I see. It's right
I
there.
see it says the blend main. So I can fix this problem.
Oh, this. Oh, I see.
Once you pull the bolt out.
Oh, this guy? Yeah, okay.
See that shaft there? That's a
Yep.
bolt. It unscrews. Probably an Allen or something, I guess, on the newer ones. They used to be a hex head.
Star.
Oh, a Torx head. Ooh, boy. That used to be an eccentric adjustment. They're fixed now, I think. We'll find out when you turn it, though. The old bikes had a set screw with a lock nut on there, a jam nut.
Uh-huh.
These ones I think are, I think these are straight, they're not eccentric. Because Harley figured out how to make a case correctly, so they didn't have to make it adjustable. Because everybody would screw up the adjustment anyway. Yeah, see it's on center now. It's not an eccentric like it used to be. Okay, so
There she is. The reason for the whole thing.
the reason you screwed it all up,
Listen, I was not the one that did this.
it wasn't you.
But
Someone else did it.
it's nice to know. This is important. If you own a motorcycle, unless you want to pull your transmission, you better make sure the shift shaft is tight.
Yeah.
Like it should be part of your
So what do you think of this?
safety check.
Screws about all the other bearings.
Yeah.
About the same.
Yeah.
A little rough, but not too bad.
Yeah, not bad, but
Not failing, but a little rough.
yeah.
So they're on, you know, they're 75% used.
Yep.
That's some of that noise you hear going down the road that adds up. Does it feel bad?
Well, you can visually see it's bad. There was so much slop in it.
Mm-hmm. Well, this
There's
spline,
still
this spline does not look exactly like the other one.
It does not.
They're supposed to be. And the shaft,
Not quite in line.
the
anymore.
lever is the same way. Pretty worn out. No, I don't know that new one we got. Hopefully it fits in there, but I don't know. Find out. If not,
This just so I can.
if not, guess what? That's going to add to the list from Harley tomorrow.
Yep.
I forget where I got that one from. I think I got it from V-Twin. So Taiwan Teddy.
Taiwan Teddy.
Cross your fingers. Okay, so what's the high gear look like?
I don't see any damage on it.
Yeah, how's it feel? Not too bad.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's going to be pressed out. We got to pull the oil pan off too.
I'm excited to see in the oil pan. So
And you got to press it
I
out.
lost tensioners on this motor, right? That's when
Yeah, we'll see how bad it is.
I came into it.
Okay, let's go. Let's find some tiles and stuff. Clean that up.
All right.